I'm going to restore this old Roberts Jr. power stretcher. These come with a wooden head, and this one's in really good shape. It's got the pins right there, and then you just got to clean it up and just oil a little bit. This head comes off, so I'm going to paint this. I'm going to paint all this right here, probably 2 different colors, and then I'll have it ready for someone who needs it. All you gotta do is get pipes for it, or you can use the pipes you have. It's always good to have a backup, and these things will hold up pretty good. The nice thing about them too is they're light, so when you're stretching with one hand, you can pick it up and move it a lot easier than the metal ones, you know. And they hold up. They're made a lot better than the ones they have nowadays. I'll show you what it looks like on the next video.